Learn what classes are, how they act as blueprint for objects, and how to define their attributes and behaviors in C#. Gain insight into building reusable components. You've discovered how to find and use classes in C#. These blueprints for objects allow you to encapsulate attributes and behaviors into reusable structures. Defining a class. A class defines a blueprint for an object. It contains attributes, fields, and behaviors, methods that describe how objects of that class behave. Adding attributes. Attributes or fields hold the data for a class. These can be variables like strings, integers, or even other objects that define the properties of the class. Instantiating objects. You can create an object of a class using the new keyword. This allows you to access and modify the attributes or call the methods defined in the class. Adding behaviors. Methods inside a class define the actions or behaviors of its objects. They allow the class to perform specific tasks or calculations. Real-world example. Classes can represent real-world objects like cars or abstract ideas like accounts. They make it easier to manage and organize code and projects. Classes are essential for object-oriented programming. They provide structure for building objects that encapsulate data and functionality, making your code more modular and reusable.